Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, your favorite alien student. But Stella, I have a question.
Go ahead, Blip.
Humans are always talking about time. What is time? On my planet, we just follow the moon glow.
That's a big question, Blip. But don't worry, today's lesson is all about telling the time in English.
Oh, so I can finally know when it's snack time.
Exactly. Let's start with a simple question. Repeat after me. What time is it?
What time is it? And what's the answer?
Good question. If it's 8 o'clock, you say, it's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. So, o'clock means Earth clock?
Not exactly. It just means the exact hour. Like, it's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock.
Got it. Easy. Humans love clocks.
Yes, we do. Now, sometimes it's not exactly an hour. For example, it's 3:30.
3:30? So, is that like 3.5 moons?
Not moons, minutes. 3:30 means 3:30.
Oh, okay. What about 3:15?
That's 3:15. And 2:45 is 2:45.
Humans are very creative with time.
Yes, but once you practice, it's easy. Let's learn the times of day. Repeat after me. Morning,
Morning,
afternoon,
afternoon,
evening,
evening,
night.
night. When is morning?
Morning is from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Afternoon is from 12 to 6. Evening is after 6 p.m. Night is when we sleep.
On my planet, we only have 2 times, bright and dark.
That sounds simple.
Yes, but I like Earth mornings. They smell like coffee.
Let's use time to talk about your day. What time do you wake up, Blip?
I don't wake up, I recharge. Usually at 9 o'clock.
Okay, you recharge at 9 o'clock. Then what do you do?
I eat breakfast at 10 o'clock. Then I study English at 11.
Very good. What about you, Stella? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 8, and I start work at 9.
Wow, humans wake up so early.
We have to! Time doesn't wait for us.
Time is very bossy.
Let's do a little practice. Stella, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I don't go to bed, I float. But I rest at 11 o'clock.
That still counts. Let's review important words from today. Repeat after me. Clock, watch, hour, minute, morning, afternoon, evening, night. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 5:30. It's 8:45.
Clock, watch, hour, minute, morning, afternoon, evening, night. My brain clock is full.
That's a good sign. It means you're learning.
Can I have a time snack now?
Sure, take a break in 3, 2, 1. Let's do a funny role play. I'm a human late for work, and you're my alien boss.
Oh, I like this. Ready? Stella, you are late again. What time is it?
It's 9:15.
You should be here at 8 o'clock.
I'm sorry, Blip. The traffic was crazy.
That's okay. On my planet, we are always late, but we call it fashionably cosmic.
I like that. Let's review everything one more time. Repeat after me, everyone. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. It's 10:30. It's 6:15. It's 3:45. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
And I float to sleep at midnight.
Perfect, Blip. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about time.
Now I understand why humans say time flies.
Exactly. Time moves fast, especially when we have fun.
Thank you, Stella. Next time, can we learn about Earth holidays?
That's a great idea, Blip. Maybe that will be our next lesson.
Yay! But for now, it's snack o'clock.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.